Hey, today we're going to fly the DX2 stunt drone again. This time we'll show you a couple of flips and the auto land button that it has on it. It lands better than I do. There's your transmitter. There's your drone. First thing we do to pair them up, we'll turn the drone on. There's your charging port. Turn it on. Your lights are going to flash. White's front, red's rear. Take your transmitter, turn it on. Turn your stick up, down. See it pair up. It's ready to fly. Well, we can adjust for that drift with the trim buttons. Alright, let's do a little flying here. That adjustment worked pretty good. Remember, white's front, red's back. Well, I'm not the best pilot around, but I'm working on it. Maybe this time we'll get it to hover, we'll do a flip. Okay, here's your transmitter. Right there is your stunt button. Press that once. It will beep at you. Push to the right, it'll flip right. Push to the left, it'll flip left. Here, beep. There you go. Let's do a little more here. Not the easiest thing to fly, but it's fun. Real slow with the sticks. Whoops. Let's do this. There's your flip. Yeah, hear that beep? It means it's ready to flip. We're going to do the auto land now. It has a little button. You push it and it'll land it for you. Right there's your transmitter. See that button right there? Push it once and it'll beep at you twice. Push it again, it'll turn it off. Alright, let's land it. Hear it? You know, not real smooth, but it worked. Okay, we'll see you next time. Hope you get one of these. They're a lot of fun.